Hi, I'm Jeff with Precision Replacement Parts. I'm here with Greg today, and we're going to show you how to properly use our Lockstrip installation tool, which we feel is essential for putting in a Lockstrip correctly into a gasket. Greg, how does this work?
With this tool, there's 4 different heads for different profiles. Today we're going to be working with the WCR 1135.
Now, Greg is going to take off the heads that we're not using, and this will help prevent scratching the paint while you're putting the Lockstrip in.
Now for our demonstration today, we are not going to use any foaming spray, but on a normal run, you'd want to put some type of lubricant on here to make the tool slide through the gasket a little better. We're going to insert the tool into the gasket first. The tool is just there to spread the gasket open, and you want to use it at a correct angle so you're not dragging against the strip, causing marks into the strip.
And what I'm doing here is actually pushing against the tool to make sure that it doesn't take the Lockstrip with it. So I'm just holding it in place.
As we're coming to the corner, putting the lock strip in the 62 Dodge truck, you'll see we're going to hit the roof line with our tool. The unique feature of this tool is we can loosen the thumb screw, rotate the handle, retighten, and then we can proceed to install the locking strip.
If you'd like to purchase our Lockstrip installation tool, check with our distributors for availability.
It's also on our website.